The esteemed Kawasaki W800, a motorcycle with a legacy spanning 60 years, has introduced a new, smaller counterpart. The 2025 Kawasaki W230 introduces classic aesthetics to the small displacement category, allowing novice riders to appear fashionable while honing their skills. Let us proceed directly to the examination of the fast facts. The 2025 Kawasaki W230 engine, although sharing some specifications with the KLX 230 engine, is a completely distinct motor. Similar to the KLX 230, the W230 features a displacement of 233 cubic centimeters, a bore of 67 millimeters, a stroke of 66 millimeters, a 2-valve cylinder head, a concealed 32 millimeters throttle body for electronic fuel injection, air cooling, and a 6-speed gearbox equipped with Kawasaki's innovative positive neutral finder. There are numerous similarities. Nonetheless, the engine casings are completely distinct, and the exhaust port is located on the right side of the frame downtube, instead of the left. The KLX 230 engine possesses a modern aesthetic, whilst the W230 motor resembles designs from 1950s and 1960s Britain. The W230, notable for its compact size, features a counterbalancer for enhanced operational smoothness. The chassis exemplifies a timeless design. The fork is fixed and includes gaiters to safeguard the tubes. The twin shocks provide 5-way adjustability for spring preload. The wire spoke wheels, 18 inches in the front and 17 inches in the rear, are equipped with IRC Grand High-Speed GS11 tires, 18-17-inch combination. The seating arrangement of the 2025 Kawasaki W230 is conventionally typical, including a stepped seat height of 29.3 inches, which is advantageous for riders who prefer to maintain flat-footed stability at stops. Braking has advanced due to the implementation of disc brakes and anti-lock braking systems, ABS. The front wheel is equipped with a 265mm disc, corresponding to the 315-pound dry weight of the 2025 Kawasaki W230, while the rear features a 220mm disc. Kawasaki includes ABS in the model designation. However, as there is no non-ABS variant, we will not concern ourselves with that aspect. We anticipate the inclusion of ABS in 2025. The design features abundant throwback elements. The LED headlight, dual gauges, and turn signals are all circular. Only the taillight remains, preserving a retro aesthetic. The teardrop 3-gallon fuel tank is adorned in metallic ocean blue, complemented by an elegant white stripe and emblazoned with flying W insignia. The bike does not display the number 230, hence its displacement remains confidential. The 2025 Kawasaki W230 will not be accessible at dealerships until winter 2025, thus patience is required. The listed price is $5,599, and there is only a single color option available.